And hello everyone, Crypto Knights here. I didn't do a video yesterday because I didn't really know what I was gonna do. There was just so much going on. You had that. I'll go over to Binance real quick. We had that quick pump up to 6,800 on Bitcoin, and then immediately pretty much got rejected at 6,850. It did pass that level of support of 6,600, but it couldn't keep. And then all last night, as I was watching, it was really low volume, lots of sideways trading, and I wasn't seeing a lot of support for the bulls. So to hedge my bets this morning, or throughout last night, and I'll show my trade history here real quick. I made some minor gains, and then once a few of them started to get low, started to gain at least some positions, I cut my losses, and then from there I hedged my bets. This morning I took what Bitcoin I had and sold it at 6,600 and put it into into Tether, and hedged my bets just in case I was wrong on where I thought things were gonna go. And so when I woke up this afternoon, because I work overnight, so I do miss some of the day trading, but I did wake up early, and saw all these just downward candles. So I went ahead and sold everything, and then sold the rest of my Bitcoin and moved into Tether at 6,400. And so now I'm just kind of playing a waiting game. I have gained actually some positions for CryptoHopper, but it's just going into CoinMarketCap, and I'll give it a quick refresh. But we're at a Bitcoin dominance of 53.3%, and except for I think there were a few greens here. Nano's been bucking the trend. I'm not really a fan of Bitcoin Diamond. That seems kind of sketchy to me since I researched it back in December. Chainlink, it's got a little bit. CryptoNext, Nebulous, most of these I really haven't done a lot of research into, so I couldn't really tell you what's going on with those. But everything else is in the red, altcoin wise, and it just seems like to me the bears are in control of the market. Quick news, this came out just a little bit ago. The SEC did reject 9 ETF proposals. I don't know how much of that was already put into the market, but it looks like it has affected it. I've been watching Bitcoin now for probably about an hour and a half just to see where it's going, and right now the battle seems to be between 6,350 and 6,400. So for me, trading with CryptoHopper, I'm going to hold off probably until Friday. I don't know if I'm going to make a video tomorrow. I might make one tomorrow night before I go into work, depending on where the market goes. But I'm holding off. I'm going to see, I just want to see where we find a level of support. If Bitcoin continues to drop, or if we go back to having a level of support around 6,400. If by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow late evening, if it looks like we found our level of support is 6,400, then I'll buy back in, which would gain me a position and a half to use into CryptoHopper. So I'll take it. I'm not gonna I'll take every gain, whether it's big or small. I'm not trading with a lot of money. I'm only trading with about $250. So to me, I'll take the small gains, because over time, when it comes to CryptoHopper, it just increases every position I gain. Means down the road, more money I'll make. The more trades I'll have, the more opportunities. So that's my strategy right now. That's the way I'm looking at the market. Is I don't know if the bulls are going to be able to, you know, come through before the end of the week. And, you know, with low volume over the weekend, you know, I might make, you know, some moves. I might put some money back into Bitcoin and do some moves on, you know, any altcoins I see that, you know, are going to go positive or looking like they're going to buck against the trend. I think, though I'm just going to kind of sit on my hands and wait to see what happens until Monday. But, you know, there'll definitely be some moves. I think there's some opportunities for some gains along the way. But, you know, as you know, if you don't know, or if you do know, you know, Bitcoin right now does affect how the altcoins work, you know, because so many of the altcoins are still tied to Bitcoin. And with so much trading going on in Bitcoin, you know, no one's really putting money into the altcoins right now. There's more selling going on, as you can see. I am going off Binance since I do run my Hopper off of Binance, so, you know, I kind of have to pay more attention to that. But, you know, we see some double-digit losses along the way, but everything, you know, except for a few, IOTX is doing all right. It's bucking against the trend. You know, but for the most part, you know, we are seeing some double-digit losses along the way, and I don't know, honestly, if the altcoin market is going to recover before the weekend. It all depends on what happens with Bitcoin. You know, if we continue to see these pink candles going down, you know, to me, my safe bet is I'd rather see how low Bitcoin goes and then buy back into it with a higher position, and, you know, and then play the market from there. So this is going to be a short video today. There's really, you know, otherwise, to me, not much to talk about, you know, since, you know, right now this channel is focused mainly upon CryptoHopper, and CryptoHopper trades in altcoins, and it's just not a good time to trade into the altcoin, in my opinion. Not with the bears just driving Bitcoin's price down. So money's got to come from somewhere, and, you know, any holdings that a lot of these people might have in altcoins are, you know, getting sold. You know, we're getting another basic bloodbath going through altcoins, which honestly I don't mind. I think this is a great opportunity once we find another level of support to buy back in and make some money. You know, these altcoins are on like a Black Friday sale for the most part, as far as I'm concerned, and you know, there's great opportunities down the road. You know, but I'm gonna show a little patience here before I start buying back into positions. You know, so yeah, that's the end of my video. I'm not going to go, like I said, I'm not going to spend too much time on it. I think I've said all I've needed to say. If anyone watching this, you know, it's still a fresh channel, so I know I'm not getting a lot of views, but, you know, feel free to throw in your comments or suggestions or anything. And I hope everyone has successful trading, and talk to you guys either tomorrow or Friday.